Hi there, welcome back. In today's unit, I decided to deal with a topic that most English learners find difficult. Prepositions. You should see how I struggle with learning prepositions in German. After today's unit, you are going to master 1. The most common prepositions. 2. Be aware of the most common mistakes. So this is what we will be practicing together today. And as always, remember you are in the comfort of your home, so speak out loud, repeat after me. Let's start. Read the first sentence and fill in the blanks. After that, I will read it with the correct answer and you should repeat it. 1. I was born on June 1st in 1985. 2. It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather. 3. My country is famous for its beaches. My country is famous for its beaches. Beaches, yeah? Long E. 5. I'm going home now. I'm going home now. That was a trap. There's actually no preposition here. 6. Let's meet at 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Later on, I'm going to explain to you a very important rule regarding this. Okay? Let's meet at 5 p.m. in the afternoon. She's very proud of her daughter. She's very proud of. 7. I'm very busy at work these days. I'm very busy at work these days. Good job. 8. The movie's very similar to the book. The movie's very similar to the book. 9. Good. That's a trap. Don't call me at night. I'll be busy. 10. He's very interested in music. Yeah? In music. Well done. If you made a couple of mistakes, don't worry about it. It's totally normal. Just go back and do it again. Take notes. Even though prepositions are a pain in the neck, there is a rule. This is the best trick to remember how to use in, on, at plus time. If it's a longer period, use in. For example, month, season, in June, in summer. If it's shorter period of time, use on, like a day, on June 2nd. If it's very specific, use at 4 p.m. Now, let me test your knowledge. Answer the following questions with the right preposition. When is your birthday? Good. Where do you live? Super. What are your interests? Remember to use I'm interested. When do you usually go to bed? Good. Very good job.